साइलेंट फर्स्ट बेंच साइलेंट हाँ चलो आपकी वॉइस इतनी लाउड होनी चाहिए कि सब चुप हो जाए सब आपको सुने थोड़ा इस तरफ आओ क्लोज इट्स ऑल अप टू यू यू लेट मी नो व्हेन यू पहले ही स्टार्ट कर दिया
My dear friends and to all the viewers, welcome to Wake It Up podcast. I would like to thank you all for coming over. So today I would like to discuss with you all about the transition from school life to college life. Earlier, I myself made a lot of presumptions. I made a lot of thoughts to myself that okay, this will happen, I will do this and that, but reality is far from it. So I would like you all to share your thoughts on it. What do you all feel about it?
I would like to go first. So my transition from school to college is I feel that in college there is a lot more freedom and a lot more opportunities. For example, in school there were the same number of people you see every day, same number of friends, and in college there are a lot more people, a lot more departments that you can interact with and exchange experiences with. And I feel that in college there is a lot of opportunity to showcase your talents and try new things and be more adventurous and be more experimental with your journey and furthermore in your career and
Very good point. I also heard that you took part in some sort of competition that took place in the college.
yeah, I took part in LAN gaming of Valorant. Yeah, and I ended up winning it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What about you?
I think also that I not such that I am in school, I am so introvert, and now it give me freedom to speak every from there. And also I to participate in sports like in badminton. I in quarter final in badminton and
You are a lot more confident now
yeah,
in comparison to.
I think so. It give me freedom.
That's actually very like I also want to add to that in school we had a set amount of subjects and we had to cover them all. Even in English we were mostly just studying from the textbook and just trying to memorize the question answer, the poet names. Whereas when I am being in college, the subjects like communication skills for engineers or verbal competency, I am getting the stage to talk about my feelings or to just express myself to all my classmates and improve my public speaking skills. What about you?
About myself, I think for me the transition from school to college life is not that much used, which I think that it will be. When we are in school, we have a lot of strict rules which we have to follow, which we must to follow. So yeah, in college when I see there are not a lot of strictness which we had in our schools. So yeah, sometimes I feel bad about it that maybe there should be some strict rules or about in college. But sometimes I thought that I think it's fine. We are in college, so I think we are in that stage of our life that we have some freedoms. We have a freedom to think with our mind so that we can grow ourselves up.
To your point, I would like to say that obviously having a set of rules, a discipline, helps us a lot. But over the long period of time, I believe that being accountable to your own self, taking decisions on your own and making the right ones is more important. So at last, I just want to end this with a good note. I would like one tip you want to give to a 12th grader who is just going to join college this year. So what would it be? What would you say to him?
I think that your skills and your speaking skills matter in college. That I am not even good in this, but you should improve the skills.
I think that one should be very careful of the influences that they are pursuing. I think that you should not respond to negative peer pressure, and you should always look and identify the positive peer pressure that your peers are applying on you. For example, I suggested Manvi that he should participate in badminton tournament because he is too good. So I think that you should look for positive peer pressure and act accordingly.
Firstly, I would like to give advice. Please just don't go in, please just don't focus on marks, because just try to grow yourself as well, because when I come to college, I feel bad about it that I should have some skills already had.
बेटा वाइंड अप करो, वाइंड अप एंडिंग करो.
Okay, thank you so much for coming on the podcast, and thank you to the viewers for listening.